Can store-bought salmon be used for sashimi? Is it safe to consume raw fish purchased at the fish counter of a typical suburban grocery store? If not, do you have any tips for finding sushi-grade fish? Also, are there requirements for safe sushi, sashimi beyond the use of safe fish?
Not being aware of your location. Some general tips. Buy your fish from a fishmonger, and tell him, her what you are using it for. You want to do business with somebody whose business is selling fish and only selling fish. They are going to know what's been stored to eaten raw standards in a way that the just above minimum wage fish guy at your grocery store doesn't. Don't buy it early. Buy it the day you mean to consume it or the day that you are going to prepare it. This question can help walk you through that. See link 1. Take a cooler to get your fish. You have to maintain the freshness. That means not allowing it raise in temperature any more than you have to. I wouldn't trust anything from a grocery store fish counter to be fit for raw consumption. http://www.sushifok.com/sushiotaku/2008/01/31/buy-sushi-grade-fish/ See link 1. Has a lot of info, and suggests http://www.catalinaop.com/ See link 2. I've never bought anything from them, but it looks like they're probably a good source if you want to buy online. If you're in the SF Bay Area, there are a number of places to buy it. I usually go to Tokyo Fish Market on San Pablo in Berkeley.